I'll be explaining the difference between our number 11 and number 12 question. So number 11, it was job hazard analysis. So the difference is, itong job hazard analysis has a much narrower scope as it involves only job-specific risk. So basically, parang ang analogy dito is in one factory, di ba maraming operations sa isang factory. So itong job hazard analysis, isang portion lang or isang station lang ang tinitignan mo tapos ina-analyze mo yung trabaho kung ano yung mga risk or mga hazards doon. Ito naman si HIRAC or Hazard Identification, Risk Assessment and Control. It gives a big picture view of all operational risks including environmental, hazards, stormwater, wastewater. So para siyang overall, yung job hazard analysis, isang station lang tinitignan mo sa factory. Pero itong HIRAC is yung buong factory yung tinitignan mo and kinoconsider mo. Okay, so that's the difference. Sa mga sumagot ng letter D for number 12, I understand na parang there's a confusion na it might be risk management. Pero ang risk management kasi is more of you're really applying the controls already. If we go back to number 12, wala pa siyang sinasabi na parang ginagawa mo na or you're basically doing the mitigation controls and measures already. Ang sinabi dito is propose controls to reduce the level of risk, okay? So yes, you could still say na possible si risk management, pero the best answer here is HIRAC. So just like the board exam, possible na maraming correct answers, pero you need to choose the best answer.